Mars's factories produce Snickers bars at an astonishing rate, millions per day, to meet global demand. If lined up end to end, the annual production of Snickers bars could likely circle the Earth multiple times. In the US alone, Snickers is the top-selling candy bar with hundreds of millions of units sold annually. But how exactly is this delicious peanut and caramel chocolate bar made? The story of Snickers, one of the world's most beloved chocolate bars, is a fascinating journey that intertwines history, innovation, and a commitment to sustainability. From its humble beginnings in the early 20th century to its current status as a global confectionery icon, the production of Snickers bars involves a meticulous process that ensures consistency, quality, and taste. Alongside this, Mars Incorporated, the company behind Snickers, has made significant strides in addressing environmental and ethical concerns within its supply chain. To fully appreciate the Snickers bar, it's essential to explore its origins, the detailed steps involved in its creation, and the efforts made to produce it sustainably. The history of Snickers dates back to 1930, when it was first introduced by Frank Mars and his company, Mars Incorporated. Named after the Mars family's beloved horse, Snickers quickly gained popularity due to its unique combination of nougat, caramel, peanuts, and milk chocolate. During the Great Depression, the bar became a staple for many Americans seeking an affordable yet satisfying treat. Its portability and energy-boosting ingredients made it a favorite among soldiers during World War II, further cementing its place in popular culture. Over the decades, Snickers expanded globally, adapting to regional tastes while maintaining its core recipe. Today, it is one of the best-selling chocolate bars worldwide, a testament to its enduring appeal. The production of a Snickers bar is a complex and carefully orchestrated process that begins with sourcing high-quality ingredients. The key components include cocoa beans, sugar, milk, peanuts, and palm oil, among others. Each ingredient undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets the company's standards. The journey of a Snickers bar starts with cocoa beans, primarily sourced from West Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. These beans are fermented, dried, roasted, and ground into cocoa liquor, which is then pressed to separate cocoa butter from cocoa powder. The cocoa butter is a crucial ingredient in the chocolate coating, giving it its smooth, melt-in-the-mouth texture. Meanwhile, the nougat center is prepared by whipping egg whites, sugar, and corn syrup into a light, fluffy mixture. This is then combined with roasted peanuts and caramel, which is made by heating sugar, butter, and condensed milk to a precise temperature. The peanuts, a defining feature of Snickers, are carefully selected, roasted, and salted to enhance their flavor before being mixed into the caramel. The nougat and caramel peanut layers are then assembled, with the nougat forming the base and the caramel peanut mixture spread on top. This layered slab is cut into individual bars, which are then enrobed in milk chocolate. The enrobing process is a critical step in Snickers production. The bars pass through a curtain of liquid milk chocolate, ensuring an even coating on all sides. The chocolate is tempered beforehand, a process that involves carefully controlling its temperature to achieve a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when bitten. Once coated, the bars are cooled to set the chocolate before being wrapped in their distinctive packaging. The entire process is highly automated, with advanced machinery ensuring efficiency and consistency across millions of bars produced daily. Quality control is paramount at every stage, with regular sampling and testing to maintain the signature taste and texture that consumers expect. In recent years, Mars Incorporated has placed increasing emphasis on sustainability, recognizing the environmental and social challenges associated with chocolate production. The cocoa industry, in particular, has faced criticism for deforestation, child labor, and unfair wages for farmers. In response, Mars has committed to sourcing 100% certified sustainable cocoa by 2025 through programs like the Rainforest Alliance and Fairtrade. These certifications ensure that cocoa is grown using environmentally friendly practices and that farmers receive fair compensation. Additionally, Mars has invested in initiatives like the Cocoa for Generations program, which aims to improve farmer livelihoods, combat deforestation, and promote agroforestry. a method of growing cocoa alongside other plants to enhance biodiversity. The company has also taken steps to address the environmental impact of its packaging. Traditionally, Snickers bars have been wrapped in non-recyclable materials, contributing to plastic waste. However, Mars has pledged to make all its packaging recyclable, reusable, or compostable by 2025. Innovations such as thinner wrappers and plant-based materials are being explored to reduce the carbon footprint of Snickers production. Furthermore, Mars has set ambitious targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions across its supply chain, aiming for net zero emissions by 2050. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources in its factories and optimizing transportation logistics to minimize fuel consumption. Water usage is another critical area of focus. The production of ingredients like sugar and peanuts requires significant water, and Mars has implemented water stewardship programs to ensure responsible usage. Partnerships with local communities and NGOs help promote efficient irrigation techniques and protect water resources in regions where ingredients are sourced. By addressing these environmental and social challenges, Mars aims to create a more sustainable future for Snickers and its other products while maintaining the quality and affordability that consumers love. The story of Snickers is not just about a chocolate bar. It's about the intersection of tradition, innovation, and responsibility. From its inception nearly a century ago to its modern-day production, Snickers has evolved while staying true to its original recipe. The meticulous process of crafting each bar, from cocoa bean to wrapped product, reflects a commitment to quality that has made it a household name. At the same time, Mars Incorporated's sustainability efforts demonstrate a recognition of the broader impact of chocolate production and a dedication to making positive changes. As consumers become increasingly conscious of the ethical and environmental implications of their purchases, the confectionery industry faces growing pressure to adapt. Snickers, with its global reach and iconic status, has an opportunity to lead by example. By continuing to invest in sustainable practices, transparent sourcing, and eco-friendly packaging, Mars can ensure that Snickers remains a favorite treat for generations to come. One that not only satisfies cravings, but also aligns with the values of a changing world. The next time you unwrap a Snickers bar, it's worth appreciating not just the delicious combination of flavors, but also the intricate journey behind its creation and the efforts to make that journey more sustainable.